again. The situation is not good. Still raining. It's not that extreme rain. So but she doesn't want to ride under the rain. But even that, tonight we can stay again here.
Safe bicycling.
Just get the safe ride.
Thank you for maintaining my bicycle.
全然いいです。結構大丈夫。全
Do
然
you
問
know
題ないです。
Sapporo number or something?
We haven't exchanged.
Look at this. The hero. Maybe other 100.
Wow.
How many you did? I think you start 5. You can never have so close. Where are the other 2?
Wow.
Really?
Fast.
Really? Wow. But it's very...
Fast.
No, no. You're slow. Don't worry. It's not a race. We are heading to Cape Soyan and Wakkanai. Sorry? All good? All good? No. As always, nothing. Say nothing. Sorry? Nothing. Let's go there.
You've done very well.
Ooh, so fast, eh? Morning. So today is not the best weather that we could get it, but that's fine because there is no rain. Today we also go to Rishiri Island. This is an island far 1 hour and 50 minutes from Wakkanai. Seems to be really nice. It has a peak of 1,700 meters, so very high, but it's not possible to ride it by bike. Asphalt conditions are amazing. It's perfectly clean. So guys, this is the water from Rishiri. Sorry, don't like this, but this one is really special. It's with the fish on the top, cheese and fish and mayonnaise.
We fought 3 times a day.
Never mind. Good morning. Now we are in a camping ground. Our tent is over there here. It's raining. For warm, I will decide or to sell the drone, repair it and sell it, because I don't want to get any stress. Hi.おー、どこに買いましたこれ？
あ、これはホームセンターってわかるかな？
ホームセンター、はい。
Home center.
はい。
Yeah.
おー、
防水が効いてていいですよ。
これ何リットルですか？
何リットルだ？何リットルだ？覚えたけど20。
Oh, he's got the big bottle cage too.
30分。
30っぽく。サイズ、リットルは書いてないんです。あー、350。おー、look! Japanese invention.
100円キッチ。
100 yen.
ステーね。
How does it? Oh, look at it like this.
ボルトで締めて。
Yeah, he just uses
うん。
angle. Ah, very good. I like this. Yeah.
でベル
ブル。完璧。
安いね。
Very cheap, very useful.
人が見られるからね、安全が確保される。
あとこれも見つけたね。ダブルキック。
Double kickstand.
ああ。
最高。
どこで知り合ったの？
イタリア。
イタリアで？
う
でもう結婚されてるの？
ん、まだ。
ダメだよ、悪いことしたら。気をつけてね。
はい。So we arrived, I think, in Sapporo prefecture. Look what a nice flower. Can you show to us? Today is really hot, but finally we have sun, and that's great because we ride for almost a week under the fog. So what we're gonna do today is ride just a bit. I think 1 more hour. Let's arrive to the next city, and then we're gonna stay all day in a onsen, take a rest. Otherwise we are not in a rush, so it's fine. Recently I broke my rear rack and weld the Well, the aluminium is impossible, so I get a metal tie and I close it here. I wrapped everything. I hope everything will be fine and it's gonna work. Obviously the problem in Japan is throwing away the trash. While you are cyclotouring, you have always to find a 7-Eleven or Seiko Mart, depends on the place where you are. Oh, sorry, it's arrived. Kenchana? Fine? Let's go! Forza, forza, forza! Oh, this is a tunnel, 728 meter. We will have another one, 5 kilometers today. So it's coming. Woo! So this time we have a sidewall. I was looking for the welding now, and then they totally pissed off me. I asked if they were welding aluminium, and they say, "Who? What? What do you want?" Like, oh, I'm asking, what's the problem? We see. Hey. Oh. 調子に乗るなよ。お、